While we are panicking about COVID-19, Mother Heart is healing.
Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Environment is everything that isn't me. I only feel angry when I see waste, when I see people throwing away things we could use. I dream of vast deserts, of our forest, of our great wilderness. We must never forget that it is our duty to protect this environment. Conservation is a state of harmony between man and land. Earth is our mother. In spite of our desire to harm our mother, she will always love us forever. Help more bees, plant more trees, clean the seas. Clean and green make a perfect scene. Greenery is a natural scenery. Retain it forever. It is our duty to save environment's beauty. Save environment in present for better life in future. No green, no life. Green city, clean city, my dream city. No pollution is the only solution. Be a part of solution, not a part of pollution. Pollution. Tree is a solution. Pollution is primitive. Green is preemptive. Pollution. If you don't kill it, it will kill you. Pollution solution, not a warfare resolution. Join the green revolution. Stop pollution. Green revolution is the best solution to arrest pollution. Planting tree is much better than wearing a mask to be safe from pollution. Say no to pollution. Raise your voice, not pollution. Passing pollution to children is not a gift. Plant more trees. Make environment pollution free. Global warming is a global warning. Let's go green to get our globe clean. Waste water today, live in desert tomorrow. If you can't reuse it, refuse it. Save environment in present for better life in future. 1, 2, 3. Plant a tree. Cut 1, plant 2. Plan your family, but never stop planting trees. Deforestation will lead us to devastation. Recycle plastic to make your school fantastic. Don't be mean, be green. Don't be greedy, it's time to be greeny. It's sexy being green. Modern technology owes ecology an apology. Give a damn, recycle your can. Never refuse to reuse. Healthy environment, healthy mind. Join the race to make Earth better place. Cage for prisoners, not for animal. There is no planet B. Good planets are hard to find. Don't blow it. No Earth, no birth. If you destroy the Earth, you destroy the chance of life. Saving Earth is a first and foremost responsibility to everyone. Just do it. The Earth does not belong to humans. Human belongs to Earth. Love it or leave it. Everyone save the only one. Slow the flow. Save H2O. Forests are green. Oceans are blue. Keep the Earth clean for me and you. Think globally. Act locally. Care for the Earth. Care for the coming birth. Celebrate World Environment Day every day, not only one day. Earth is a home and environment is its roof. Save both. Earth loves you. Love it back. Truth to be told, biodiversity is worth more than gold. Cut the grid, not the green. Don't be a litter bug. Just give a tree a hug. Give a hoot for the root. No matter if you are big or small, we need help from all. Trees give good look. Don't destroy them from Earth book. Trees on, global warming gone. Use paper with a care, so our tree don't become rare. It's simpler saving paper than planting trees. The best time to plant tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't make trees rare. Keep them with care. Don't destroy the greenery and don't spoil the scenery. Save Mother Earth. Each one, teach one how to plant one. Killing tree is killing us. Plant tree so that next generation can get air for free. Trees, the lung of the world. If you love to breathe, save the trees. Take a pledge to plant the trees. Plant life and bring rain. Trees are green gold. Trees are the root of our existence. Trees are our best friend who ask nothing in return. Trees are life, don't cut them. Go green, go vegan, save the planet. We are born to help the world, not to destroy it. Then why we are destroying the environment? Connect with the world wide web of the life. Nature doesn't need people, people need nature. Nature itself is the best physician. The future is in our hand. Let's take a stand to preserve the land. Lend a hand to save the land. I am not an environmentalist. I am Earth warrior. Earth is not a gift from our ancestors, but borrowing from our children. There are no passengers on spaceship Earth. We are all crew. Pure air, pure water, and pure foodstuff will bring heaven on the earth. If the bee disappeared off the face of the earth, men would have only 4 years left to live. Don't let your future dry up. Breathing can't be stopped, but we can change and purify the quality of air we breathe. By polluting clear water with smile, you will never get a good drinking water. Wilderness is not a luxury, but is a necessity of the human spirit. Real freedom lies in a wilderness, not in a civilization. Environmental care is a most profitable investment. Protect our environment, keep it safe. Tomorrow we will be saved. Protect the environment, it's the only choice. The environment is our basic need. We should not waste it for our greed. Save the environment or ruin your future. A beautiful environment starts with you. We won't have a society if we destroy the environment. Development without destruction. Don't bring environment to a painful point. I can find God in nature, in animal, in bird and in the environment. One word, one environment. Join hands to save environment. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. Only when last tree has been died, the last river has been poisoned and the last fish been caught, we'll realize that we cannot eat money. Make environment your friend, not enemy. Safer environment, better tomorrow. Act now for better tomorrow. Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future. Wasting time is a useless. Cleaning the environment is the best. By polluting clear water with a smile, you will never find a good drinking water. Live local, think global, stay hopeful. Raise your voice, not the sea level. The earth has a music for those who listen. Go green. Reduce, reuse, recycle. World Environment Day, united for the global environment. Make every day Earth Day. Plant for the planet. Save Earth to save life. Think green, keep it clean. The earth is all we have in common. Thank you for watching. For such informative videos, stay tuned to Knowledge and Guidance and don't forget to press bell icon for our latest notification.